In today's video we are pitting two robotic lawn care titans against each other, the Sunseeker X7 and the ECOVACS A3000 LiDAR Pro. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these robot mowers, make sure to check the link in the description below. Starting with navigation, the Sunseeker relies on a sophisticated vision AI system paired with RTK for satellite guidance, which provides incredible precision, while the ECOVACS counters with its HoloScope 360 degrees dual-LiDAR system that creates a perfect map of your yard without needing any perimeter wire or an RTK antenna, making it incredibly versatile for complex properties with heavy tree cover where GPS signals often fail. When it comes to tackling tough terrain, the Sunseeker X7 is a beast with its rugged all-wheel drive chassis that can conquer slopes up to a staggering 70%, which is perfect for hilly landscapes, whereas the ECOVACS focuses its power on cutting performance with a 32V high-power system specifically designed to chew through thick American grasses like Bermuda and Fescue with its dual-blade disc system, though it might not match the X7's extreme slope capability. For the quality of cut, the Sunseeker features an intelligent floating cutting deck that automatically adjusts to uneven ground contours to prevent unsightly scalping and returns clippings as natural fertilizer for a healthier lawn, while the ECOVACS includes a massive advantage with its built-in TruEdge trimmer that eliminates the need for you to manually edge along sidewalks and flower beds, giving you a truly finished professional look right out of the gate. Battery life is a crucial factor for larger properties, and the Sunseeker, with its unspecified capacity, focuses more on intelligent path planning to manage its energy efficiently across its 0.75-acre coverage area, but the ECOVACS clearly wins on paper with its large 7,500 mAh battery and rapid 189W fast charging that gets it back to work in about 70 minutes for extended runtime and less downtime. Security and peace of mind are handled differently, with the Sunseeker offering bank-grade 4G and GPS real-time tracking alongside an anti-theft alarm and geofence lockout to secure your investment, whereas the ECOVACS provides smart app control that allows you to create multiple mowing zones, set no-go areas, and customize schedules with an intuitive map interface, though it lacks the same dedicated tracking features of the X7. Ultimately, choosing between them comes down to your yard's specific needs. If you have a very steep, uneven property that requires brute force traction and sophisticated obstacle avoidance with binocular vision, the Sunseeker X7 is the superior choice. However, for a property with complex layouts, shaded areas, and a desire for that perfect, trimmed edge without any manual labor, the ECOVACS A3000 LiDAR Pro is the clear winner and the best option for most homeowners. Both are exceptional machines, but for its wire-free navigation and integrated edging that saves you so much extra work, the ECOVACS takes the crown, and you can find it at the best possible price through the link waiting for you right down in the description below.